Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Joseph. I am a atelier advocate, and today I want to kind of demonstrate how I use Illustrator um, to create different templates for my wallets and card holders. First, I'd like to go ahead and get my artboard set up. I'm going to go ahead and get my rulers and my grids together, along with by going to Edit, Preferences, and Units. Make sure that everything is set to millimeters. In a lot of cases, if I need to have multiple pages or multiple artboards, I can go into Edit Artboards here and add however many I need. For now, I'm just going to need one. We're going to exit. Hold down the space bar, and then you can use your mouse to go left and right, up and down. Just kind of move your artboard around. Some of the basic tools I like to use is right here. The selection tool, direct selection tool, which allows you to select specific anchor points and adjust them to your liking. The pen tool, the shape tool, which also has different shapes in there. The eraser tool along with the scissor tool, and then the shape builder tool. Now here you see that's got a fill. I don't like fills in my template, so I'm going to go and turn that off. And I do prefer my strokes at about 0.35. Just to kind of demonstrate some of the basic functions, let's go ahead and create a rectangle. You're going to go ahead and click on the shape rectangle tool and click on the screen. It gives you the ability to create based on the width and the height dimensions. So I'm going to set just a 104 to 60, creates a rectangle there. Then what I'm going to do is just kind of move it here. As the selection tool helps me select a shape, and I can move it individually. You can also use the direct shape tool, as I mentioned, and change the different anchor points by clicking on the anchor. And you see I can just adjust based on that part there. But I'm going to go ahead and undo it. Control Z, Control Z. Control Z isn't undo. Control Shift Z gives you the ability to redo. So we're going to go back. You also have your basic Control Copy, Control V functions for paste, copy and paste. You can also do a Control Shift V, and you can paste in place. So there's that. I'm also going to create a circle. Let's do an oval. Now, when you're creating an oval, you can actually create by holding Shift a circle. Let it go. You can actually adjust the oval or the circle, the round shape, however you like. If you do Shift and Alt, it creates a circle from the point that you click to create the shape. We're going to go ahead and do that there. And I'm going to go ahead and move it down here. Now, you see those pink lines? It's saying that you're intersecting a certain part of that shape. Now, as you can tell, it's not aligned in the center. I want to align it directly on the center. I'm going to select both shapes, and I'm going to go ahead and align it directly to the center. Now, a lot of times, you're not necessarily going to need every part of this shape. You may be making a pocket and you want to create a nice little curved line. The easiest way is you're going to go ahead and click on the direct selection tool, select it all, then you're going to go to shape builder. Now the cursor will change this black mouse trigger button, cursor shape, and then the plus symbol. I'm going to go ahead and click or hold Alt, and that changes to minus. And then I'm going to go ahead and go over the parts of the shape that I want to erase. I'm going to click here. It'll get rid of that and that. And it leaves me with the shape there without the oval. Now, these sharp corners, I want to go ahead and adjust. I'm going to go ahead and select those points. And I'm going to change them to, let's say, 15 millimeters. And it'll actually round out those corners for me. Now you can adjust them however you like if you want to. You can always adjust the corners, but right there looks about good. Now those are just the basic functions for right now. I will continue in the next part. We're going to create a card holder. We're going to learn how to make pockets and stitch marks to kind of help you along the way to be able to start making your own